नमस्कार मित्रांनो, माझं नाव प्रफुल्ल भावसार. आज मी कंपल्सरी इंग्लिश TY BA MCQ 100 सेट 2 घेऊन आलेलो आहे. यात आपण 35 क्वेश्चन बघणार आहोत. सेट 1 अपलोड झालेला आहे व त्याचबरोबर पॉलिटिक्स G3चा पण सेट अपलोड केलेला आहे. तुम्ही चॅनलवर जाऊन बघू शकता. लागलं तर मी त्याची लिंक खाली डिस्क्रिप्शनमध्ये देऊन टाकेन. ओके. कालचे आपले 2 क्वेश्चन बाकी होते. क्वेश्चन नंबर 11 आणि क्वेश्चन नंबर 12. ओके. तर चला मी पहिले क्वेश्चन वाचून सांगतो तुम्हाला. याचे आन्सर बाकी होते. तर क्वेश्चन नंबर 11, जिमी चेंज्ड बिकॉज ही फॉल इन लव विथ. तर याचं आन्सर आहे ॲनाबेल. ऑप्शन सी इज द करेक्ट आन्सर, ॲनाबेल. व क्वेश्चन नंबर 12, व्हॉट ॲडवाइस डज द वॉर्डन गिव जिमी जस्ट बिफोर जिमी इज रिलीज फ्रॉम प्रिझन. तर याचा आन्सर आहे टू गो अवे. ऑप्शन नंबर ए, टू गो अवे. ओके. तर मित्रांनो, पुढे जाण्याआधी तुम्हाला सांगतो याचे उत्तर आपल्याला फहीम अन्सारी या मित्रांनी आपल्याला उत्तर दिलेलं आहे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 11चं आन्सर होतं ॲनाबेल आणि क्वेश्चन नंबर 12चं होतं टू गो अवे. ओके. थँक्यू व्हेरी मच फहीम. तर चला जास्त वेळ न घेता आपण पुढचे क्वेश्चन चालू करूया. युनिट 8, द डायमंड नेकलेस बाय गाय डी मऊ ओके. तर क्वेश्चन नंबर 30, हू इज द ऑथर ऑफ द नेकलेस. ओके. त्याचा आन्सर आहे ऑप्शन बी, Maupassant. Okay, Maupassant is the author of necklace. Question number 31, what is M. Louisel's profession. Okay, what is M. Louisel profession? Option number C, clerk. Option number C, clerk is the correct answer. Question number 32, how does M. Louisel expect Mim Louisel to feel when he bring home the invitation. Okay, answer is C, distressed. Okay, distressed is the right answer. Question number 33, how much money does Mathilde ask to buy a new dress. Okay. Question number B, option number B, 400 francs. Question number 34, what did M. Louisel want to buy with the money he give to Mathilde. Okay, answer is gun. Option number B, the gun. Okay. Question number 35, why is Mim Louisel still upset as the party approaches. Okay, answer is D. She doesn't have a necklace. Okay. Question number 36, to whom does me Louisel go to borrow jewelry. Answer is C, Mim Forstel. Okay, Mim Forstel. Question number 36, to whom does Mim Louisel go to borrow jewelry. Okay, answer is C, Mim Forstel. Okay. Question number 37, what kind of jewelry does Mim Louisel choose to borrow from Mim Forstel. Okay, the answer is option B, necklace. Question number 38, when does Mim Louisel notice that the necklace is gone. Option number C, at home is the correct answer. Unit 9, all the words staged by William Shakespeare. Okay, all the words staged by William Shakespeare. Question number 39, the poet says all the men and women are merely played because. Option C, they play their roles in the drama of life. Option number C is the correct answer. Question number 40, life is like a stage because. Option number D, men and women are actor and actress playing their roles. Men and women are actor and actress playing their role. ओके. मित्रांनो, पुढे जाण्याआधी मी इंस्टावर पण आहे, तर तुम्ही मला इंस्टावर सुद्धा फॉलो करू शकता. प्रफुल्ल भावसार ऑफिशियल ही माझी ID आहे. तर चला नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन घेऊ. क्वेश्चन नंबर 41, द मिनिंग ऑफ एंट्रन्स अँड एक्झिट ऑन द स्टेज ऑफ लाईफ आर. आन्सर इज ऑप्शन D, birth and death. Okay. Next question, question number 42. The first stage in the drama of life is option B, the infancy. The infancy. Okay. Question number 43. Mulling and puking means mulling and puking means option D, crying and vomiting in the arm of a nurse. Crying and vomiting in the arm of a nurse. Okay, option D is the correct answer. Question number 44. The meaning of Weeful ballad is the meaning of Weeful ballad is सॉरी याचा आन्सर दिलेला नाही. जर तुम्हाला माहिती असेल तर तुम्ही खाली कमेंट बॉक्समध्ये कमेंट करू शकता. ओके. The next question, question number 45. The soldier appear in dash stage of life. Option C, fourth stage. Okay. Unit 10. La Belle Dame sans Merci. John Keats. Okay, John Keats. Question number 46. Keats' poem describe the encounter between an unnamed, said to be a fairy's child. Okay. Option B is the correct answer. Night. Option B. Question number 47. La Belle Dame sans Merci in bracket French the beautiful lady without pity bracket complete is a ballad written by the English poet. Option A, Keats. Keats is the correct answer. Question number 48. Because the night is associated with image of death dash a in bracket a symbol of death in Western culture bracket complete paleness fading with whether he may well be dead himself at the time of the story. Option A, Lily is the correct answer. Okay. Option A. Unit 11. The charge of Light Brigade, Alfred Lord Tennyson. Okay. Question number 49. Who write the poem The Charge of the Light Brigade? Answer is option B, Alfred Lord Tennyson. Alfred Lord Tennyson is the correct answer. Question number 50. How many soldiers were there in the Light Brigade? Option C, 600 soldiers. Okay. Question number 51. What were to the right, left and in front of the soldier as they rode into the valley of death? Option D, cannon. Cannon is the correct answer. Option D. Question number 52. The soldier of the Light Brigade rode boldly into the valley of death even though they knew they would die. What does this say about them? Okay. Answer is option A. They were delicate. Okay. They were delicate is the correct answer. Question number 53. The writer wrote that the soldiers were riding into the mouth of hell. What does this imply? Okay. Answer is D. Answer is D. The soldier of the Light Brigade will bring victory into the mouth of hell. Okay. The soldier of the Light Brigade will bring victory into the mouth of hell is the correct answer. Question number 54. What are the themes of the poem The Charge of the Light Brigade? Okay. All. Option D, all. A, war. B, loyalty. C, heroism. Okay. War, loyalty, heroism. All of the above. Okay. Unit 12. How do I love thee? Elizabeth Barrett Browning. Okay. Question number 55. Which of the following statement best describe a central theme of the poem? How do I love thee? Option number A. Love is unconditional and internal. Love is unconditional and internal. Option A is the correct answer. Question number 56. The rhyme scheme of the first 4 lines of How do I love thee is A, B, B. What is the rhyme scheme of the next 4 lines in bracket lines 5 to 8 bracket complete? Answer is C. Option C, A, B, B, A. ABBA is the correct answer. Question number 57. In How Do I Love Thee, what is the speaker's message to his or he addressed? Okay, answer is D. I love you in many different ways. I love you in many different ways. Okay. Question number 58. In How Do I Love Thee, how have the speaker's feeling changed between the present and the future? Option A is the correct answer. The speaker will love the person more passionately even after death. The speaker will love the person more passionately even after death. Okay. Question number, okay, unit 13. Afterward, Thomas Hardy. Okay, Thomas Hardy. Question number 59. The poem Afterward is written by dash dash Thomas Hardy. Thomas Hardy. Okay. Option A, Thomas Hardy. Question number 60. The poem Afterward written around in dash dash 1917. Option B, 1917 is the correct answer. 61. Question number 61. The poem Afterward is a reflective poem about dash dash. Option B, life and death. Life and death. Question number 62. The poem Afterward by Hardy is about dash dash. All of the above. Option D, all of the above. A, rebirth and renewal. B, life and death. C, past and present. Rebirth and renewal, life and death, past and present. All of the above. Unit number 14. The Ballad of Father Gillingham, W.B. Yeats. Question number 63. The Ballad of Father Gillingham is written by W.B. Yeats. Okay, option D, W.B. Yeats. Question number 64. The poem Ballad of Father Gillingham consists dash dash. Option A, 12 stanza with 4 line. 12 stanza with 4 line is the correct answer. A. Okay. Question number 65. The Ballad of Father Gillingham is about the dash dash. Answer D, A and B. A, good. B, priest. Good priest is the correct answer. Okay. तुम्हाला हा व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर याला लाईक शेअर कमेंट नक्की करा व तसंच आपल्या मित्रांपर्यंत हा व्हिडिओ पोहोचवा. थँक्यू फॉर वॉचिंग.